Students, welcome to module 2 of information transfer, and let's come to our next diagram. Let us now learn to draw a pie chart. Okay, now first of all, pie chart, this is how it's going to look. Okay, do you see the circle here and the parts of it? That's what a pie chart is all about. Now, steps to draw a pie chart. First of all, read the passage and mark all the important quantities or percentages. Then draw a circle. Divide the circle into sectors. Now, do you see each part in the circle is a sector? Larger quantity or percentage will have larger sectors. Okay. Then insert data in the sector. Give an appropriate title at the end of it. So, these are the easy steps you'll have to follow to draw a pie chart. Now, in your exam, you will have a paragraph given, right? A short one. And there will be certain percentages or quantities given to you. How are you going to deal with a pie chart practically? This is what you do. You follow the steps. Okay. Now, first step is read the passage and mark all the quantities or percentages. In your paragraph, you have names like Angry Bird, 18%, Simple Run, 24%, Rubway Surfer, that is 41%, and Andy Crush, okay, 17%. Now, if you know what quantities are given to you of what things, for example, these are all famous games, okay, and then these are percentages of people who play them, prefer playing them. Now, when you practically put this information in a pie chart, first you will have to draw a nice, neat circle. Okay. Now, once you have drawn the circle, the next step is divide the circle into sectors. Larger quantity or percentages will get larger sectors. Okay, that is 41% will get the largest sector, whereas 17 is the lowest, so the smallest sector. Alright, so you draw all the sectors according to the percentages or quantities. Insert data in the sector. Okay, now whatever information has been given to you, for example, Rubway Surfer, 41%, Simple Run, 24%, so on. You put on all the information in your circle, okay? And then in the end, the last step is give an appropriate title. That is, you will have to put a heading. Now, I'm sure you're wondering to draw the circle and to know how big the sector should be. We'll have to do calculations like we do in geometry. There is no need. Okay, now understand, to draw a pie chart, there is no need to do any calculation. Follow the instructions given here now. I'll be giving you some information. Okay, first of all, draw a circle first, and then this is a trick. Divide it into 4 equal parts. Okay, now understand. Why draw them into 4 equal parts? It's easy. Entire circle represents 100% since we are dealing with percentages. Okay, now what you're going to do is each part represents 25%. Okay, in that case, when you start marking things into the pie chart, remember, while marking a pie chart, go into the descending order, that is from bigger to smaller quantities to help in getting approximate pie chart. Okay, now for example, while drawing a pie chart, first of all, very important instruction, use only a pencil and a pen. These colors that I'm going to use are for your understanding. Okay, now let us start with the above given example. We have already marked all this information in our paragraph. Okay, now the largest quantity is 41%, Rubway Surfer. Now what you're going to do is, if Rubway Surfer is 41%, okay, that is more than 25%, it will cover one sector of 25% and less than 25% of the another sector. That makes it 41% approximately. Okay, we are not doing any accurate calculation here. Now, the next game is Simple Run. Okay, 24%. Now, Simple Run is 24%. That is slightly less than 25%. And that is how you will mark a little less than the 25% sector. Okay. Now, let's take the next example, Kangri bird, that is 18%. Now, understand that again, Kangri bird is 18% less than 25% over here. Okay. And that is why you will mark less than 25% again. Now, the last quantity is Andy Crush, 17%. And understand that now, since the entire circle represents 100%, okay, Andy Crush is 17%, which means the remaining part of the pie chart will be marked here, isn't it? So, this is how you draw your pie chart, and that's how you're going to easily make it. But again, do not use colors in your exams, only a pencil and a pen. With this, we are done with a pie chart. Isn't it simple?